What did I say? I said
Pretend
it's a picture.
What we do here is go back.
Pretend it's a picture. Make sure you record this entire thing.
Are you taking a picture right now?
Oh, and to pretend it's a picture.
Why
Is this a picture or a video? Am I right?
It's a time lapse.
Oh, I'm smiling.
It's like a Nardwar outro. Have you ever seen the Nardwar? Yeah, the Nardwar outro where he's just like, and they just like, what am I supposed to do? Do you need another one of these? I know you lose shit.
I don't. I will
You have
lose
6
it.
of them.
You should keep that so you give it to somebody that won't lose it.
Yeah, like Alan.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
I know you don't have one of those.
This is cool.
It's day 5 of posting a video every single day until Opensauce.
Everyone, I know the videos are late, but it's Michael's fault. Isn't that right, Michael?
Dude, we're not even moving.
We're just kind of shaking.
7 days till Opensauce, 1 week.
Videos are a day late because it's Cameraman John's fault. Isn't that right, Cameraman John?
I really need to make some progress on this goofy project that I told Michael Reeves that I'd bring to Opensauce this year. I only have a week to get this done. Hang on, let me back up a sec. So between Opensauce 2, Electric Boogaloo, and Opensauce 3, Revenge of the Sith last year, Mr. Big Willie, aka the one and only Crabs in Science, hosted a little tiny hackathon called Saucathon.
I wanted to do a hackathon, but nobody was doing hackathons. So I forced the Opensauce team to put on a hackathon for me. But then I also had to help organize, so I mean, everyone else gets to enjoy the Opensauce hackathon, the saucathon, saucathon.
I really wanted to go to that first hackathon, but I couldn't swing it without missing the old, mortgage payment. One thing that did happen at that hackathon was they made a banger YouTube video.
I took an edible and woke up and ate leftover sausage out of my fridge, and that was my dinner.
If you want to come to the next saucathon, sign up for the mailing list in the description down below and let me know what city I should bring it to next. I'm William, and you've been watching
6, 7.
the Opensauce.
So, in that video, this Twitch streamer guy, what's his name again? Oh yeah, it was, Michael Reeves, yeah! You might not have heard of him yet. He's small-time, real niche, up-and-coming channel. Anyway, at that hackathon, Michael here decided to build
a gun.
Back to some more recent history, Willy Wonka here announced a second wave of Saucathon events last fall. And they were a lot closer to home for me on the East Coast, driving distance. So I signed my ass up, drove my ass over to Norwalk, Connecticut, home of NHRL. It was an awesome hackathon, and I have a lot more videos that will probably come out about this hackathon. Seems like William's video about that hackathon kind of fell off the bus because it was a dumpster fire and a lot went wrong, but that's another story for another day. So I met this Michael Reeves guy. So how's the bar going?
The bomb?
The bomb, yeah, the bomb. Have you strapped a gun to it yet?
Dude, no one has let us build anything freaking awesome. Also, none of us brought any damn tools because we live in a different place.
And had a conversation with him, something like this. Hey, I got this entire box of capacitors given to me last night. Well, pretty cool, right? Then it hit me like a truck. An idea so stupid, so genius, I had to share it with him. I'm like, hey man, remember that capacitor exploding gun you made at the last saucathon? He's like, yeah.
A gun.
But like, hey, hear me out, bro. What if we took like this box of capacitors on this belt and we made
a gun.
A fully automatic, belt-fed capacitor machine gun, like fucking Rambo style. And wait. I filmed this fucking interaction. Yeah, here's the fucking clip, dude.
Also, none of us brought any damn tools because we live in a different place.
Dude, I brought my whole fucking repair shop.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Just come and ask.
Kind of awesome. No. We're building with band-aids that we found from the first aid kits. I think we're gonna do really, really well. Though we are waiting. Have you checked out the box yet?
On what?
Have you gone downstairs?
No, we haven't gone downstairs to
so
murder
you're
babies.
another freaking team. Okay, gotcha.
I'm waiting for fucking Tommy to get his shit together.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him to speed it up because there are a lot of teams waiting.
Yeah. So, do you remember the capacitor gun you built?
Yeah, it didn't work.
You just need more voltage is all you needed.
Probably, yeah.
I did bring something.
Yeah?
Yeah, let me go grab it real quick.
Yeah. That's fucking great.
So the idea here is convert it into a belt-fed machine gun.
Yeah, is this like from Pick and Place stuff?
Those are like $4 a piece.
Damn, this is an expensive...
I went to a hackerspace last night and toured it, and they just gave it to me.
Yeah.
But that would be so funny, belt-fed machine gun.
That would be fucking sick. That would
Because
actually
like,
be so dope.
it's got the holes for the pick and place to like move it.
Yeah, it does. It can
So like, you don't even have to modify it
hold it
very much.
yeah. And you just load so much fucking electricity into it, it could never not.
90 volts DC.
Yeah, the DeWalt batteries didn't have any of that. Oh, you guys gone?
Yeah, we gotta go test our bot.
Shit, okay, good luck.
Thanks for being in my video.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Good games, good games.
Careful with that, careful with that.
I'm offering you all 4 of our wheels and
$20 bill for what? What do you want? So in here we got speed controllers. We'll give you extra channels, but you have to. Who's your driver?
Me.
Yeah. You have to drive it with a brick attached to the controller. You have to drive it with a brick attached to the controller.
I'll do it.
You have a brick attached to the controller. It's gonna be a big brick.
I can do that.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have body strength.
So later on, and probably the coolest 24 hours of my goddamn life, I was talking with Michael Reeves again about like that capacitor machine gun. I'm like, dude, I kind of want to do it for real. If I make a video about it and I bring it to you at Opensauce next year, would you be in the video with me? And he was like, yeah, sure, dude. And I was like, no fucking way. Bet. I'll bring it to Opensauce next year. Hell yeah. Now, fast forward just a few months. I got my buddy Joel from Joel Creates involved because I'm using a Nerf gun for the body of this cursed contraption. You know Joel, the Nerf nuke guy. He's got experience with this kind of stuff. He made self-firing Nerf darts to blow up capacitors. And I kind of started like prototyping, and I drew some pictures and made a storyboard for the video, and then proceeded to do nothing else to advance the project. Until now, a week before Opensauce. Why do I do this shit to myself? So yeah, I'm gonna stop editing this video and go finish that project, because that would be way cooler than this, is if I actually pulled that shit off.
A gun.
It was my second year at Opensauce.
Right.
So, first year was a PCB, did nothing.
Yeah.
It was cool. It is what it is. Second year, let's make a
We
circuit.
had plans for the first year, but it was too expensive.
Yeah.
That actually is a hindrance for most of everything we do.
Yeah, I
It's
know
expensive.
budget is a
Yeah.
big constraint there. But
You know
second
how
year,
many parts you gotta buy for that? It's like fucking
yeah, I know.
tens of
I built
thousands
half
dollars.
of them, William.
Yeah, it's a lot of parts, and the parts cost a lot of money.
I put together about 350 batteries personally.
At Opensauce?
Yeah, and I repaired even more. You know how many fucking photodiodes I had to desolder and flip around? Because we silk-screened the wrong instructions directly on the board. And then year 2, the through holes are not the right size.
Year 2, that one, that's a great excuse because it was done in 20 minutes.
Fair. Well,
Year 2 was like we just barely decided to put a circuit on it, and then people liked it so much that we did something more complicated for year 3. Year 3, I would say the big problem was the firmware. We didn't have enough time to like properly execute. It did work on some devices. Like my iPad was fine, but there's like a frame refresh. Like if you don't have a global screen refresh, the photodiode
so if you have like
detection
an old
will
phone or
carry.
something. So I want to talk
If you guys
about
don't
next
mind,
year's
we're
grant
gonna
specifically.
swap really quick, have the other team, and then we'll do like this.
What did he say?
And then get you guys in.
I can do it. I can start on it now.
Yeah.
And fully test functions. And I have ideas.
What are your ideas?
Make it an Arduino Nano phone.
And
It
then if
costs
you
like
find
about
Colin,
$5 per part. It's a similar value. DEFCON badges have a fucking RISC-V CPU. You know how much money DEFCON makes? It would be so open source to have it be an Arduino.
Yes. Yes.
You know,